Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kia Forte starter motor problems and potential causes. A starter motor failure can prevent the engine from cranking and starting properly. Commonly documented causes include a worn starter motor or solenoid that may indicate normal wear over time. Corroded or loose battery connections could be related to poor electrical contact affecting the starter. A failing ignition switch could potentially contribute to intermittent starting issues. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. Owner reports and verified sources show that older generations of Kia Forte may experience starter motor wear more frequently. Possible solutions generally include checking battery connections, inspecting the ignition switch, and testing the starter motor at a certified mechanic or dealership. Some newer models could show less frequent starter motor issues, but diagnosis should always be vehicle-specific. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.